QuickBooks POS is no longer available. Here's everything you need to know. If you operate a business and use QuickBooks Point of Sale, you may have heard that QuickBooks is abandoning its POS system. While this may come as a surprise, it does not mean that your business must suffer. In fact, this might be the ideal time to move to Shopify POS. Shopify is a major e-commerce platform that helps entrepreneurs start and develop their companies. Unlike QuickBooks POS, which was created for accounting purposes, Shopify was created expressly for businesses who sell things both online and in-store. This implies that Shopify provides a lot of features and benefits that QuickBooks Point of Sale just cannot match. Click the link below to speak with a professional about if switching is the best option for you. Here are a few reasons why you should switch to Shopify POS. 1. Shopify provides a single platform for online and in-store sales. 2. Shopify Point of Sale is available on both iOS and Android smartphones. 3. With Shopify, you can manage inventory levels in real time across all channels, online, brick and mortar, etc. 4. Shopify makes it simple to collect payments directly from your consumers' mobile phones. 5. Compared to QuickBooks POS, you can get started with Shopify for as little as $9 per month. 6. Shopify provides 24-hour assistance, so you'll never be left in the dark if something goes wrong. 7. Over 500,000 businesses worldwide currently use Shopify, so you'll be in excellent company. 8. Finally, with Shopify's increasing network of applications and integrations, you'll have everything you need to operate your business smoothly, no matter where you sell or what product you sell. Don't put it off any longer. Move to Shopify immediately. You'll be glad you did. QuickBooks Point of Sale is being phased out, so don't worry. There are lots of other amazing POS systems out there that may help your business grow, including Shopify's own Point of Sale system. Make the transition today and get the benefits of having a unified platform created exclusively for businesses who sell items both online and in-store. Click the link below to chat with an expert and have your questions addressed.